Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Say hi, Princess Shaya. So what I'm going to be going over with you guys today is a clip-in application with my client, the lovely Princess Shaya. And as you can see, we are jumping right in, no wait. She wears her hair center parted, so I'm doing a part from the top of the crown to the top just behind the back of the ear, and I'm doing that on both sides. And I do like to have my client tilt down one because I'm a little short and I know the chair does move, but still, just so that I can ensure balance and consistency on both sides. She wanted more length and minimal volume with this application. And, when picking extensions, when picking the application, you got to think about the occasion and things like that. So she was wearing these for a performance, and obviously she was keeping them. They are custom for her. But I didn't want to apply in the front. She really just needed towards the back for the length, and her haircut, it blends beautifully already. So we are primarily length, minimal volume, and as you can see, I am parting at the nape. We have 22 and 20 inch, and it actually matches more of her natural color, her base color, versus the sort of chocolate ends. And you'll see once I flip it up and clip it up out the way. In addition to, picking the type of extensions, think about color. So we went with something solid that will just create a beautiful sort of just gorgeous just color placement for her. It just really added a lot of depth and fullness to her mid shaft and ends. And as you can see, I'm just measuring, making sure. You always want to measure twice, trim once. In addition to this being a application appointment, you will see me sort of like talk her through how to apply it. She was going to be wearing these for a stage performance. She's a dancer. So in addition to just having a set that she can just use for her personal use, she needed to apply these and wear them. And, she was going to be moving, she was going to be dancing. So I am talking her through how to create that really nice secure base and how she can enhance that security for the performance. So I am talking to her about grabbing about 1 inch of hair, doing the light tease and interlocking. I did previously spray the Joico Power Spray. It's a really nice fast drying hairspray, so you don't want anything that's going to be kind of wet at the root, and have to wait for that drying time. I hate the feel of hairspray on the fingers, so something quick drying like the Joico is great. I'm grabbing the hair. We are primarily using 22 inches because, again, this is for primary length. And it has 3 clips, so that way I can really get that first clip in there nice and secure. Boom, lock in, and I have my client push against my fingers, and I just ensure that that center clip is very secure. And then while holding that center clip, you want to go ahead and attach each side one at a time. If one side is not as secure, you can always go in and double check that, and that is something I explained to her. I also explained to her that she can go back in after she's comfortable with the security and spray each row with a little bit of that Joico. You can see we sped it up a little bit. We are, I believe, doing our last 22 inch. This application went seamless. It was so easy. I measured, I made sure it was comfortable, and I sprayed my sections. I believe this is now our 20 inch. Goes right in, and we are not going above that. We are now going to comb down. As you can see, it looks beautiful. We're going to start styling with our beautiful curls. I'm using my T3 1.25 inch with the detachable barrel. Love it. Creating these curls. We're curling away from the face on each side to meet in the middle. And the end results. Look at that soft, beautiful wave. Gorgeous chocolate highlights, some depth. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.